Hey guys, let's learn how to play this beautiful sargam part from Deewana Deewana song. So when we play this part, we need to use komal ga, shuddha, komal dha, and also komal ni. Okay, so I will use the same letters as they sang, like gamapa garisa. I use my C scale, so we know komal ga here, right? Komal ga, and komal dha here, and komal ni is here. So first line goes like gamapa garisa. So when we play ga, it should be komal ga, not shuddha ga. Okay, so ga, ma, pa, ga, re, sa. 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 You need to play it very fast. Okay, so. And then sa, ni, 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 ni. It should be komal ni, and you need to play ni for 5 times. Okay, like that. And then dani da pa da pa, but we play dhani dha, and also not dhani dha. It should be komal dha, shuddha dha, and komal dha, like dhani dha, dha da da, pa da pa, like that. Dhani da da pa da pa. Dhani dha, shuddha dha, komal ni, shuddha dha, komal dha, shuddha dha, komal dha, and then pa, komal dha, pa. Like that. So we played 3 lines, and you need to repeat it for 2 times. Okay, and then pada pa sa. Okay, pa komal dha pa sa, and just come to pa like this, pada pa sa, like that. Okay, pada pa sa, and then pa da pa ma re re ma ga re sa re sa, like that. Pa dha pa ma, pa komal da pa, ma re komal ga re sa re sa, pa da pa ma re re ma ga re sa re sa, and then same line for 2 times. Sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa dha pa ma ga re. Sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa dha pa ma ga re. Sa re re komal ga ma pa komal dha, pa ma ga re, pa ma komal ga re. Okay, sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa dha pa ma ga re. Sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa dha pa ma ga re, and then sa re re ga ga ma ma pa, sa re re ga ga ma ma pa,